What is a firewall? A firewall is an integrated collection of security measures designed to prevent unauthorized electronic access to a network computer system. A network firewall is similar to firewalls in a building construction because in both cases they are intended to isolate one network or compartment from another. Next, there are four types of firewall. They are packet filters, circuit level, application level, stateful multipliers. Work at the network level of OSI model. Each packet is compared to a set criteria before it is forwarded. Packet filtering firewall is low cost and low impact on network performance. Next, circuit level. Circuit level gateways work at section layers of the OSI model or the TCP layers of TCP/IP. Monitor TCP handshaking between packets to determine whether a requested session is legitimate. Level. Application level gateways, also called proxies, are similar to circuit level gateways except that they are application specific. Gateways that is configured to be a web proxy will not allow any FTP, Gopher, Telnet, or other traffic through. Stateful multiplier. Stateful multiplier inspection firewall combine the aspect of the other three types of firewalls. Packets at the network layer determine whether the session packets are legitimate and evaluate contents of the packets at the application layer.